Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this awesome Arctic Fox. It's a beautiful pre-owned unit. It's a 2011 30U model. It's got the giant propane tanks. It's actually got a window here. We got it closed, but it's got two entries. Of course, this is your fire escape entry for your bedroom. And then we're going to walk in through the living room here, but it's a nice, big, beautiful, towable trailer. If you want that big rear living, this is the model. Come on in and take a look. This unit's in excellent shape. I like the little lounges with the ottoman. Nice big double sink. Lots of counter space. This one's got a nice big slide on this side of the unit, so it gives you that extra space. Beautiful looking couch. This unit's in great shape. Storage underneath your chairs here in drawers, which is nice, something that Northwood does. Just a real nice quality, real wood, beautiful unit. Nice little skylight here. Great size fridge. Let's take a walk back in through here. You got a nice corner bathroom, lots of storage. Corner shower rather. Nice bathroom area. Very accessible. And then you got a slider door here to give you your privacy you need. And what's neat about this unit, it's got the built-in, almost like a dresser. That's a slide out. So it's got plenty of storage in there. Nice, good-sized bed. Nightstand on each side, so if you have a CPAP machine, you're covered there. It's just really a really nice pre-owned unit that we've got here, along with several other nice pre-owned units we have here at Guaranty RV. If you're interested in seeing this unit, please come in and see me, Big Sal. Just ask for Big Sal, or give me a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.